Directions: apply over face, neck, and décolleté with light circular movements. Remove with a tissue paper or a cotton pad. Follow with Spa Tonic to complete the cleansing ritual. Suitable for formulated for normal to dry skin type. Active ASSETS BIOGLEA, exclusive exfoliating, moisturizing, and balancing active. PENTAVITIN, a complex of carbohydrates which are similar to those found naturally in the skin. Exceptional moisture controlling properties to shield and protect the skin. SHEA Butter, nourishes and regenerates the skin. Rich in naturally occurring vitamin E for antioxidant and free radical protection. Benefits: it cleanses effectively, leaving a soft and moisturized skin. It removes makeup perfectly. It respects the skin pH balance. Allergen/Paraben-free Expert makeup removal which minimizes irritations. A lightweight fluid and water-soluble cleanser. Removes surface impurities and makeup while moisturizing and nourishing with antioxidants from shea butter and avocado oils. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.